क्या आपको लगता है कि पैसा हमेशा आपके हाथ से निकल जाता है, जैसे रेतमुती से? Imagine this, a life where you're in total control of your money. आपकी हर ख्वाहिश, हर goal, achievable. Sounds amazing, right? लेकिन अगर आप budgeting नहीं करते, तो financial stress आपकी जिंदगी का permanent guest बन जाएगी. And trust me, no one wants that. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step framework to build a budget so effective that it'll feel like your money is finally working for you, not against you. Ready? Let's dive in. Picture this. You're scrolling Instagram. Dostan ki vacations, designer clothes, or fancy restaurants ki photos dekhi ja rahi hain. FOMO real hota hai, right? But here's the scary truth. Most people posting those pictures are drowning in debt. आप उनका reality show देख रहे हैं, लेकिन उनका behind the scenes नहीं. Now, imagine living a life where you can afford all of it, without guilt or stress. That's the power of a solid budget. It's not about restriction, it's about freedom. And today, we're going to build your roadmap to that freedom. Stay with me. The next 90 seconds will shift your entire mindset about money. Pehla step hai, money ka MRI karna. How much are you earning? And how much are you actually spending? Download your bank statement and mark your spending into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. Surprising hoga dekhna kitna paisa choti cheezon par waste hota hai. Quick reality check. Agar aapka Starbucks ka bill aapki savings se zyada hai, we've got a problem. But hey, no guilt. Aapko sirf identify karna hai. Change ka process ab shuru hoga. Pattern interrupt. By the way, अगर आप अपने एक्स की स्टॉकिंग में इतना फोकस लगाते जितना स्पेंडिंग एनालिसिस में लगा रहे हैं, तो रिलेशनशिप शायद बच जाता. Kidding, or am I? ये रूल है आपकी बजट बिल्डिंग का बैकबोन. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, और 20% savings के लिए. Let's break it down. Needs rent, groceries, bills. इनको prioritize करो. Wants, Netflix subscription, dining out. Inko limit karo. Savings, emergency fund, investments. Inko maximize karo. Yahan ek trick hai, paisa haath mein aate hi, pehle savings side mein rakho. It's called paying yourself first. Imagine, savings aapki future ki salary hai. But, what if your income isn't enough to cover all 3 categories? Don't worry. I'll get to that in a bit. Hum sabko discipline main problem hoti hai. Solution? Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers for your savings. Jab paisa apne aap nikal jata hai, temptation ka scope hi nahi bachta. Think of it like a Netflix subscription for your goals. Except yes, subscription aapko financially rich banayega. Also, agar aap apni ex ko text karna automate karte, to kya breakup avoid ho sakta tha? Probably not. But automation works wonders for money. Budget ek journey hai, destination nahi. आज जो स्टेप्स अब सीख रहे हैं, वो आपकी लाइफ को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, अगर आप एक्शन लेते हैं. So, अब आपके पास एक पावरफुल फ्रेमवर्क है. Know where you stand, follow the 50-30-20 rule, automate, track, and reward yourself. Trust me, आपका future self आपको thank you बोलेगा. और अगर आप अपनी productivity और study habits improve करना चाहते हैं, तो मेरी video How to Study Effectively 5 Proven Tips जरूर देखें. End screen में linked है. Click करें और अपनी time और skills दोनों का best use करें. Subscribe करो for more financial wisdom, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, पैसा आपके लिए काम करे, ना कि आप पैसे के लिए. Take care.